Okay, friends, let me show you how I make my Grinchy ornaments. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we have these plastic ornaments. Pop the top off, save it. Then I'm using glitter glue from Crystalac, and I water it down. You could use Mod Podge, water it down. You could use polyacrylic, whatever. But you want it nice and fluid so that you can, like I'm doing here, kind of roll it around and get all of the pieces, parts on the inside of your ornament. I use a little cup or just protect your table or your surface, because you could at this point drip it out of the ornament, and you just want to make sure that you it's protected. Here's the other thing: make sure you use a cup that it actually will fit in and not get stuck. These little solo cups from Dollar Tree work like a dream. I put it over upside down, let it drip for about 10 minutes. Once that's done, I put a funnel. I got this funnel at Dollar Tree. Put some, I'm using glitter from Michael's. The color is pesto. And all I'm doing is I put my thumb over the hole of the ornament and I just shake it and I move it around a little bit. Shake it, done. Put the excess glitter in a container because we're going to use it if you're going to make more ornaments. But look at this, right? Super cool. Then you're going to put the inside back. That's probably the hardest part of this. But that's super pretty. And you could do different colors. It'd be beautiful. But for me, I'm going to add a little faux fur trim on the top. I'm just adding glue and I'm going all the way around the top with this awesome green fur. And I'm making mine Grinchy. I do these every year. My husband is a huge Grinch fanatic, so I have to make them for him. The next step after I do this, now let me just say this. I probably, if I were to do this again, which I will, I do the fur after putting the face on, just because it's a little bit of a, you got to move the fur out of the way to put the vinyl on. So, learn from me. But anyways, I have this vinyl that I cut out. I use permanent vinyl. It is layered, so one part is the yellow part and the rest is black. And I purchased it from Etsy. I put it onto, and you just rub it on. I have transfer paper. You just rub it onto the ornament. Easy peasy. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because it is a curve. It doesn't like to accept the mouth. See how it's like bubbled up a little bit? This is how I fix this. If you ever, and listen, I know some of you heavy duty crafters are gonna be like, don't do that. It's that. This is how I did it to fix it, because I didn't want to redo the whole thing. I just cut the mouth and then overlapped it, and it was fine. It was fine. Done is better than perfect sometimes, right? Then I have some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna put it through the loop, cut it down, put a knot at the very top, and now we have an ornament. I probably would prefer using a very small ribbon versus this one, but I didn't have any. And again, done is better than perfect. But anyways, friends, look at how cute they are. Aren't they so much fun? They make me smile. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.